welcome to SOFIC 2017. My name is Andra, and we are here with the President of Systems Tech. How are you?
Great, Andra. Good to see you again this year.
Good, Dave. Thank you for having us.
Well, as you know, this is where everybody needs to be if you want to showcase your latest technology, and that's what we're doing here this year with PARASIM.
So you have some new things going on for 2017. What's in store for you?
Well, what we've done since last year's show is we have totally revamped our software, specifically our graphics engine, and we've maintained our physics engine, our dynamics of our chutes, and how we maneuver with PARASIM, and we married that with the graphics engine VBS3.
So tell me a little bit about what that entails, working with all these other companies to bring this to life.
Well, what it does is VBS3 is a program of record for both the Army and the Marine Corps, and within VBS3 and TerraTools there are multiple models and AI that exists. So for our clients, our users, they can quickly model a drop zone with all these models that exist, and it just makes for a much more user-friendly interface, but also very realistic in how we model the drop zones.
So is this certain terrains that you have mapped out, or is it global, or what is it like up there?
Well, within VBS3 and their new version, VBS Blue, that's going to be released here very shortly, the entire globe is mapped. So I'll be able to very quickly bring up a geo-specific area, and for our clients we'll be able to model it very quickly and then drop together in as a team, because we can network multiple simulators. They do that this afternoon, drop into a zone, they climb on an airplane, fly halfway around the globe, and when they get out of the back of the airplane, when they look down at the ground, they will be very familiar with it because they've already seen it.
That is amazing.
Yes.
What about the weather? Does that affect any of this?
Yes, we can bring in what the forecast weather is going to be. We put in the date and time of year, so both during the day the sun is how it's going to be, or at night the moon, the stars, the constellations will all be as they are for real life, and also the weather and the wind as it is.
That's very, very impressive.
Oh,
It has to be more cost effective, right?
Oh yes. When you think about the aspect of using a simulator, certainly in the training and the safety procedures, we like to say you can get rid of all the stupid stuff very, very effectively, and obviously costs as far as dollars and cents, but also reducing the injury rates and any kind of hazards to your team.
Safety is number one.
Always number one.
Absolutely. So what kind of sensors are a part of this?
Well, when we begin our simulation, we're in free fall, and you can see one of the sensors is embedded in the platform. It senses body movement via infrared, and so you maneuver within a virtual airspace very easily, and it's the dynamics are very close to what it is in real life when you're free fall.
Wow. What do you see for the future of PARASIM?
Well, there's also, besides the ability to do everything that we need to do on the military side, it does translate over to the civilian sector, both for parachuting, but also when you are in that free fall state, and you can maneuver within that airspace. Think of it not as being attached to a parachute, but rather now you're flying. So now I can fly within my virtual world anywhere you want to be, and it's very realistic. So essentially, I can be Superman, you can be Supergirl, and we can go off and maneuver through the world.
Well, that is so impressive. Well, thank you for being a part of SOFIC. We couldn't be here without you.
Well, thanks very much, Andra. It's great to see you again this year, and hopefully everybody have a great show.
Yeah, we'll see you next year, and enjoy the show. Stay tuned for more at SOFIC TV.